Hi, everyone. I wanted to go ahead and take you through the steps of how I create a like page event. I do this for my free groups as well as for my regular challenge groups and my coaching opportunities. So I usually go into my like page and I click on events and I click on create event. I usually do this after I've already posted. I went ahead and posted about my free group yesterday. So today I'm going to go ahead and create the event. And the reason I kind of separate a little bit is I don't want too much posting of the same thing back to back. So like I said, yesterday was post. I've posted other things. Today I'm going to post the event because that also ends up being posted. The first thing I do is I add a picture, which I already created on canva.com, which I'll show you that site in just a minute. It's a free site. You can use PicMonkey. You can use, this is where I created it. You can use whatever you'd like. Just make sure that there are certain parameters. This is not what it's going to look like on the event, but I just wanted to show you. You name your event. So for me, it's going to be free March recipe makeover. I don't like to use the word challenge. I think it's been overused. Sometimes I'll say boot camp. Location, I usually say online or, wherever you are. Online. Right here. I put the dates. So mine's going to start March 6th and it's going to go the end to the 12th. I will change the dates to something ridiculous like 12 a.m., which is nighttime, till 11, I don't know why it does that, 59 p.m. The category, I go ahead and I say health and wellness. I usually put a bit of a description, so I'm going to grab one from the one that I already created, which is over here. I always talk about the, what the challenge group is about. I always include what they can expect in that challenge group, and then here is my call to action. Make sure to click going on this page to be added to the group, right? So I'm going to copy and paste that so I can just take you all the way through. On the event, I'm going to put that here in the description. No keywords, no tickets needed. I could co-host if I'd like to. I'm not really co-hosting. And then I click on publish, or I can tell it to schedule it for another time. So I'm going to close this for a minute and go to where my event is. Here's my event that I just created. Here's the start date. Everything's great. One question I'm asked constantly is how many friends do I invite, or how do I invite? I rarely use this button. I know it sounds crazy, but I personally ignore anything I'm invited to. I don't like to be invited to something, into an event, without being asked. So what I do is I click on the little thing on next to share, and I click on share in Messenger. So when I do that, I type in the name of the person. So for example, let me just pick Tina just for example and say, hi Tina, I thought of you when I created this event. I know how much you love a good recipe. And you can continue. How about, a tasty recipe that's also healthy? Look through this, maybe can I send you some information? How about joining us? It could be somebody that you've already talked to about it. Either way, I always send a personalized message and I click send. I do that one after the other, again, using the share button. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share how you create an event. I do this for free groups. I do this for challenge groups, and I do this for coach opportunities. I hope this helps. Have a good one.